Is your video missing clear captions or titles that viewers can read? Adding clean text in CapCut Mobile is very easy. Open your video project in CapCut Mobile. Look at the bottom menu and tap on Text. Now, tap on Add Text. Type your word or title using the keyboard. You can tap and drag the text on the screen to move it anywhere you want. Tap on Font to choose a modern style. Tap on Style to change the color or add a stroke outline so your text is easy to read. Tap on Animation at the top. Choose an entry animation to make your text pop when it appears on screen. Here is a pro tip that will save you time. Do not design text from scratch every time. Tap on Text Templates to use ready-made title designs, social media icons, and lower thirds in one single tap. Drag the edge of the text clip on your timeline to control how long it stays. Install CapCut Mobile using the link in the description. Subscribe for more easy editing tips.